Okay, welcome back. This is example 4. So we've done example 1 and 2. You had to do some problems now. This is example 4. You have 6x plus 5 minus 3x plus 1. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the opposite again. So the part that we're going to add is this part here. We're going to add the opposite of what's happening in here. Opposite of positive is a negative 3x. Opposite of a positive is going to be a negative 1. So I'm going to set this up vertically. I'm going to have a 6x plus 5. And we're going to add that to a negative 3x minus 1. Now this is one way to do it. The other way is just to find your like terms and go ahead and combine it. We just line these up by like terms. That's kind of all we did. 6x plus a negative 3x is going to give me 3x. 5 plus a negative 1 is going to give me 4. So my answer after I subtracted these, or combined like terms, or simplified my expression, is going to be 3x plus 4. Lots of negatives here. But let's make it a little bit easier. Let's add the opposite. Or distribute the negative. So if I add, the opposite is going to be in here. It's going to be a negative 5x is going to be the opposite of that is 5x. A negative 2, the opposite of that is 2. So what do I have? I have a negative 4. My new problem is a negative 4x minus 7 plus 5x plus 2. Okay, let's rewrite this vertically. Okay, so I have a negative 4x minus 7 plus 5x plus 2. Negative 4 plus 5 is just going to be x, or 1x. Negative 7 plus 2 going to be 5. Of my negative 7 plus 2, that gives me, sorry, that's not 5. Negative 7 plus 2 is going to be a negative 5. Just caught that. Okay, so my answer is going to be x minus 5. Okay, so to recap on this, remember you're either adding the opposite here or we are distributing the negative. You can distribute that negative, which makes them both positive. Then we go ahead and we add them up. Now either combine like terms or you add them vertically, which is still combining like terms, and we ended up getting an x, we ended up getting negative 5. Okay, let's have you try 2. Go ahead and try these two problems.